Welcome everyone, this is Prem. Today we are going to see how to build a machine learning model with the help of ChatGPT. With recent advancements in artificial intelligence, especially with the models like ChatGPT, we have so many new possibilities. So let's imagine not only chatting with AI but also building machine learning models with the help of ChatGPT. Let's start the journey. So our plan for today is like this. So we'll be starting by creating our training data. Then we will move on to building the machine learning model. We will address and resolve any roadblocks we encounter along the way. Then we will run our model and evaluate its performance. And finally, we'll also fine tune the model to perfection. And guess what? We'll be doing all this with the help of ChatGPT 4. So what are we building? So we are going to create a machine learning model that will classify whether a given statement is a greeting or not. For instance, if we feed it the word hello, it should recognize that it is a greeting. On the other hand, a query like how to make coffee is not a greeting. Simple, right? But let's see how effective we can make this with the help of ChatGPT. So what's on the checklist? So we will need a ChatGPT 4 subscription. Yes, we are going to use a paid model to get the best out of it. A basic understanding of Python. Don't worry, you don't have to be an expert. We will use Google Colab, which is going to be our playground for today's experiment. And last but not the least, we need to have a local IDE. I prefer VS Code, but you can feel free to use anything that you like. So before we deep dive, let's set some expectations here. We will be interacting a lot with ChatGPT, so get ready for some AI-driven insights. We will be using the suggested code from ChatGPT. We might be hitting roadblocks, but that's the fun part. We'll resolve them together. This is a hands-on session, so expect a lot of copy pasting and executing the code. And a quick note, while we are focusing on building this with ChatGPT, this is not a comprehensive machine learning course. Our main aim is to showcase how we can do this with the help of ChatGPT without even knowing a lot about machine learning. Alright, now that we have everything in place, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. So this is how our training data should look like. So we'll have a sentence and label as the columns, and the sentence will have the actual sentence hello, how to make coffee, howdy, and all. The label will have one representing it is a greeting, zero representing it is not a greeting. Okay, let's start with our first task, which is building the training data. So we're going to use ChatGPT 4. I'm in chat.openai.com. So this is ChatGPT 4 model selected, and I'll be using the advanced data analysis, which is a beta. So I'm using this because this is going to run some code on the background and it's going to create the data for us. Okay, let's give a prompt. So here is the prompt I'm giving. So I'm saying I want you to generate training records that will help me train a machine learning model that can classify whether a sentence is a greeting or not. It should have two columns, sentence label. The record should be unique. There should be minimum of 100 records. The distribution should be equal. And here are some examples. So one in the label saying, it's a greeting, 0 is for non-greeting. And I'm asking that to give the list in a CSV file. So it's going to actually do some work. We can see what it is doing. Though we don't have to worry about what is the code, we can see that it is actually writing the code with greetings and non-greetings, generating the list for us. So let's give a few minutes for this to complete. So it's about to complete. I think it has created the file and it's doing the last steps. Let's wait and see. Okay, it says I have generated the data set for you. you can download the CSV file here. Okay, let's click on it and download. It is downloaded. Let me open this. Okay, all right, I see sentence and label as the columns. The sentences are here, label with 1. Okay, I don't see any zeros here. Okay, I think it has given only the greetings, or it has not actually put the right label here. So let's say that back to ChatGPT and let's see what is happening. I see no records with 0. Also the ones don't seem to be right. Okay, let's see what it's going to come up with. So says, I apologize for the oversight. Let me correct the data set and regenerate the CSV file with equal distribution of labels. Okay. So now it says, I apologize for the oversight earlier. I have corrected the data set. You can download the updated CSV file here. I'm going to open it. This time, let's see if we have got. Okay. Ones and zeros. Yes, it looks like we got it. But we got only 51. Okay, so it has given equal distribution, but it has not given us 100 records. Okay, let's be very specific again here. I'm going to write a third prompt. Now it is equally distributed, but there are only 51 records. I need 100 of them, and that has to be unique records. Let us wait. I understand. I will extend the list by adding more unique greetings and non-greeting sentences to ensure a total of 100 records with the equal distribution between the two categories. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's see what it is doing. Okay, it has created additional greetings, additional non-greetings. It is combining everything with the old set. It's going to complete it. Okay, I have added more unique records to the data set to ensure a total of 100 entries with an equal distribution between greetings and non-greetings. You can download the updated CSV file here. Okay, it is now available. I'm opening it and I see, okay, it's 100, absolutely. Okay, that's perfect. I think this will do for us. This is the training data that we wanted. I'm not sure if 100 is enough for a perfect model, but we will start with that. If that is not enough, we will expand it. Okay, the next step, we are going to ask ChatGPT to create a model for us. Let's do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do join for the next video.